Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can buy stuff from the shop on Brain Test Tricky Puzzles game. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the game on your device. As soon as you do that, you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on the gear or settings icon on the top left hand side. As soon as you tap on it, you can see this type of interface over here. So you can see this option over here of the bulb. Go ahead and tap on the bulb signal. After you tap on the bulb, you will be headed to the shop. So you can see some of the valuable stuff over here. If you want to buy it, just go ahead and tap on it. Make sure that you have a credit or debit card. Go ahead and tap on this. Write down your card number, your expiration date, security code, and after that you can make the payment. And this way you can buy stuff from the shop on the game Brain Test Tricky Puzzles. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.